how to create an Instagram account. First, make sure you are connected with the internet connection. Now open the Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. Search for Instagram in the search bar. Click on the Install button. It will download and install the Instagram app onto your phone. Once installed, close this page and open the Instagram app. Click on Create New Account. You can create your new Instagram account with your phone number, or you can click on Sign Up with the email option to sign up with your email instead. We are creating it with our phone number. Enter your mobile number and then click on Next. Click on Next. Click Next again. If Instagram asks for any permissions, click on Allow. It will send the verification code to your mobile number. It detects the code automatically, and now, as you can see the notification, your account was confirmed. Enter the strong password with capital letters, numbers, and special characters. Click on Next. You can save your password and login details to Google Password Manager by clicking on Save. Select your date of birth. Click on Set and then click on Next. Enter your full name and click on Next. As you can see, our new Instagram account has been created. You can now click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. If you go to Edit Profile, here you can update your profile picture, username, and bio. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.